Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel, The Makeup Stash by Anisha. I have created this black smoky eyes which is very festive, very elegant, yet very easy to create. It's the basic black smoky eyes. I have just used two colors to create this look that I'll show you step by step in this tutorial. To start off with, I'm using this aloe vera gel from Mumuso. This one I regularly use because this suits my skin. My skin is a little combination of oily and dry. Now I'm massaging this aloe vera gel all over my face, trying to blend it upwards, also not forgetting my ears and my neck. Next, I'm using this lip balm from Sage Therapy and also massaging it all over my lips. I'm starting off with the eye makeup. For that, I'm using this concealer which is from Maybelline Fit Me range, and this is in the shade Light number 10. I'm concentrating on my eyelid as well as my corner of the eyes, outer corner. With the help of one kabuki brush, then I'm blending the concealer. I'm keeping the concentration towards the eyelid only, and I'm using the dab motion. This will hide if any pigmentation is there on my eyelid. Next, I am using this eyeshadow palette from MUA Makeup Academy. This is the Elysium palette. I am taking the black shade, which is also known as the smoke shade, and I am concentrating towards the lash line. Here, you do not have to be very neat and clean. It can be messy because later we will be blending it anyways. Then I'm taking this Miss Clear eyeshadow pot in the shade brown. All the shades and the numbers will be mentioned in the description box. With the help of that and one blending brush, I'm blending the eyeshadow in my crease. Again, I am just deepening the black color with the same eyeshadow that I have used before. Giving the final blend to match both the eyes perfectly. Now moving to the face makeup, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. All the shades will be mentioned in the description. Links will also be given. Please check the description box for more details. When applying the foundation, also don't forget your ears and your neck area. Then I am using the same Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium to cover my dark circle as well as to highlight the inner corner. I'm also putting it a little on my nose, my cupid's bow, and on my chin area. Then taking the Fit Me concealer again, but this time in the shade Light for highlighting my under eye, my bridge of the nose, and the area below where I would be contouring. Next I'm using this Umbrella Sunscreen Loose Powder by Keya Shade Aromatherapy to set my concealed areas. After this I am taking the blush palette, the face palette from Sivanna colors. I'm using this particular shade to blush my face. Taking the same brown color from Miss Clear again, I'm putting it in my lower lash line, blending it with the upper eyelid color. I'm using the Swiss Beauty makeup fixer to set my face. Next I'm taking the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette for doing my eyebrow. But before that I'm spooling through my eyebrow so that it is properly aligned and all the gaps are visible. Now with the help of the small brush from the kit and the darker shade, I am filling up my eyebrows, also trying to give it a little arch. Finally running my spoolie once again so that it is looking properly blended. Now unfortunately I got some issue with my camera, so the part where I have done the highlighting, I have put the mascara on my eyelashes, and also I have used the lipstick not recorded. I have all the details mentioned in the description below. Next I am going ahead with falsies, so the look is more attractive and looks very festive. With that I complete this small smoky eyes tutorial. I hope you liked it, and if yes, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do like the video, check out other videos. I will be uploading videos regularly from now on, so do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you so much. I hope you had a great time watching my tutorial.